Hello! Today we are going to see how to create a survey using a poll&roll template. To do so, click on Create your survey and choose Use a questionnaire template. Choose the type of survey you want to create. For example, we are going to create a concept test, so I click on Validate the potential of my idea. All you need now is to fill in the form. When the page is completed, click on the arrow at the bottom right. If you want to go back, you can click on the left button. Please be specific about the product category and be exhaustive in your main competitors list. Finally, select the imagery items on which you wish to evaluate your offer or product. Here, you have an overview of your questionnaire with the mandatory questions for a concept test. If you wish, you can add other questions that are relevant to your questionnaire, such as a price perception. When you have finished, click on Access to the questionnaire. You can now edit your questionnaire. To learn more about the questionnaire editor, look at our tutorial named Edit the Questionnaire.